Yuna. So I decided to try this awesome mask. It's called Glam Glow, and actually a lot of celebrities endorse it too. So in this video, I will be giving you guys a 6-week review of the progress it makes on my face. And a little bit later, I'll be giving an awesome giveaway. So please feel free to stay tuned. A whole bunch of red stuff here. Pimples. See, look at that pimple. Like the size of my head. How's that chin looking? Yep, nope, not pretty. Pretty pimple in these pores. And get started on these tours. Okay, well, let's see if this works. I apologize for this. Looks like an elephant hockey player. Alright, you know what? There's no like real good way of doing this, so I'm just gonna go reach right in there and look like a crazy person. So ta-da! Do you guys still recognize me? I don't even recognize myself. They say to keep it away from your eyes, but luckily for me, I have really small eyes, so you can barely, yeah. Within, I have to say, a minute of me putting on the mask, I already feel different parts of my face being cleaned, I guess. How do I look? I look crazy. Different parts of my face is already turning like a stone. The color is a lot lighter in certain areas and a lot darker in some other areas because it hasn't dried yet. Ooh, hopefully this will speed up the process. Come on. I'm sorry if this is scaring you. I'll stand further away from the camera. That's not really. So I think my face is officially turned to stone and I am done waiting for it to do whatever it has to do. But if you focus in here, you definitely see the nice little holes that make my face look extra disgusting. Don't try this at home. Try this at home where no one else can see you. Try kissing your boyfriend at this face. Much better. I can already feel my pores a lot smaller. I think that's the biggest difference because I had blackheads recently. At least they weren't noticeable, but now they're very noticeable. Mud mask definitely took a lot of it away, but for now, enjoy the music.
You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk through the door.
In the beginning, I just had pimples that kept popping out everywhere. I honestly didn't think this was working. I thought it was actually forming more pimples. I think this is the definition of crusty.
Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful.
Throughout the week, as you can see, I got a little bit more happier when I realized that my face was actually a lot more clearer.
I'm looking at you and I can't believe you don't know, you don't know you're beautiful.
Honestly, another thing that probably helped a lot with my skin was just drinking a lot of water, watching when I was eating, and getting a lot of sleep. Those 3 things, trust me, makes a big difference. Enough with that crazy mask for a little bit. I genuinely enjoy the product a lot. As of right now, I'm actually not wearing any foundation, no blush, no nothing. This is really just my face. The only kind of makeup I have is my these eyebrows and eyes. But aside from that, this is all natural, except for lipstick too. I would highly suggest if you are having similar problems that I was in terms of stress and just breaking out, then you should definitely try this mask. Retail price, this thing is actually about $69. So that might be a little bit pricey for some other people. But luckily for you, today's actually my birthday. Getting old. Birthdays are usually about getting presents. So this year I thought it'd be interesting to actually give you guys a present. And if you guys haven't guessed it already, I will be giving one of these awesome Glam Glow mud masks away. Okay, so the rules are as of these. 1 is you have to like this video, easy right? 2, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. 3, like my Facebook page and it's stated down below. 4, follow me on Instagram and well, say hello. And last but not least, leave a comment with your Instagram name as well as what you would like to see me do in my next video. 3 topics that I mainly cover: advice, beauty, and food. So be as creative as you want. I'm open to suggestions. The other cool thing is I will actually be shipping this internationally. The last thing you need to know is the deadline for this giveaway will be on June 30th, and I will be announcing the winner in my first video in July. Best of luck to all of you, and this is really my way of sustain. Thank you for being my subscriber. I really appreciate it. Without you guys, I wouldn't even be here. And just remember, what makes you beautiful is who you are inside. Subscribe to Simply You. See you guys next week. Bye.